Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. There is another bullish engulfing candlestick appeared after the recent drop, and this is more powerful than the previous bullish engulfing candlestick that was appeared here. And in today's video, we will try to analyze that whether the price line will be able to recover above this level that is a very significant support zone that is now working as a resistance, start from $44,000 and goes to $43,300, or the price line will be rejected and move more down from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, previously I was telling you that we have a very significant support zone on the short term that is from $44,000 and goes to $43,300, where the price line moved down and broke down this level, and also this golden cross as well. Between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, you can see we had the golden cross, but the price line also broke down that golden cross as well. And here we also had a very nice support of this 100 simple moving average. This red one is the 100 daily simple moving average, and after hitting this moving average, the price line is moving up and trying to break out this resistance zone now, because this zone is now turned into the resistance. Previously it was really very strong support in the short term. And if we take a look at the stochastic on the daily time frame, then I told you previously that we don't have a very big room for the price line to move more down, because the stochastic on the daily time frame is oversold, because here you can see it just touched the oversold zone and moved up, and we also had an up move by the price line as well, and then again the stochastic moved down and dipped more down in the oversold zone, and the price action moved more down. And when we received this buying signal, because when this blue line it crosses up this orange line in the stochastic oscillator, that is the buying signal. And after this buying signal, you can see now the price line is moved up. Right now we are moving at $43,432, and we are entering in this very significant resistance zone, and this will be the first step for the Bitcoin to recover and move back in the bull rally. Now the most important thing for the Bitcoin is to do is, first of all, we need the closing above the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. Right now we can see we have the exponential moving average 21. You can watch the value here. This red one is the exponential moving average 21. That is right now at $43,529, and the price line is likely to recover and move above this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, and we will need the closing above this exponential moving average on the weekly time frame in order to continue this rally that has been just started from here. Now the second thing, we need to close above this level, this support level on the weekly time frame. Here I have placed some major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame. On the long term, we have this support that is at $43,000. Right now the price line was breaking down this level, but I told you in my previous video as well, we need the closing above this level. If it will be closed below this level, that is $43,000, because previously it had been breaking as a strong support here and here as well, and here and here and here as well. Therefore, if it will be broken down, then it can turn into a very strong resistance, because this is the weekly support line for the price line. And the next support is at $40,000. Here you can see previously it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. The price line after this rejection moved down here, moved above, broke out this resistance, moved down again, and while it was moving up and down between $28,600 to $40,000, it was again and again being rejected by this resistance level and moving down to the $28,600, $28,800 support level. And finally, we are again moved up. Right now, today we have again tested this level. If I switch to the daily time frame again, then you can see on the previous candlestick, the price line has reached at $39,600 and recovered back. So right now it seems to be that the price line is not breaking down this $40,000 support level. And I told you that this support level is also supported by another additional support, that is the weekly simple moving average 50. This green line is the weekly simple moving average 50 that can work as a very strong support, because when we had the previous drop in the month of May, the price action used this level as a support and moved up. Right now the price action moved very close to this 50 simple moving average, but did not test this simple moving average so far, but moved very close to this simple moving average, but tested the $40,000 support, and right now we are again back above $43,000. But we need the closing, the weekly closing above these levels. It is possible that after a small correction to the upside, the price line will be moved down again. Therefore, in order to recover these damages, we need the closing above these levels, the $43,000 and above the exponential moving average, the weekly exponential moving average 21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.